Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And like I always say, today I have another very exciting video for everyone. So if you saw my last Casemate case video, you would know that Casemate was so generous enough to give me the honor to try and review some of their cases that I haven't gotten the chance to try on my own yet. So that was super exciting for me. I hope you guys checked out or are going to check out the video I put up before this one about the Casemate Naked Tough Iridescent and that little matching iridescent pocket that sticks to the back for credit cards, driver's license, etc. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. I'll link it in the description box below. So with that being said, let's move on to what case this video is dedicated to. So today I'm going to be talking about another case that I've never gotten the opportunity to try, but I'm oh so excited to do so, and that is the Naked Tough Waterfall case from Casemate in black. So let's go ahead and get into this beauty. Sorry about the reflection from my lights. If anyone has any tips or tricks on how to like settle that down, can you please let me know in the comments below? Anyway, red ribbon pull out. Here's the beauty. I like this case because it's like it almost has, it has glitter, but it also has these teeny tiny little like balls in there, and it causes it to move almost like a sand. Like, does anyone remember those like sand things we had when we were younger? That I had that were around like years ago, where you'd flip it and like it would like whoosh all in different directions. That's kind of what this reminds me of, because I think those little beads add a different weight to it and make everything like glide around different and fall different. I think it's really pretty. So with that being said, we are going to now do my favorite part. Take that plastic off, break in this baby. So as usual, this case is a two-piece case, the rubbery bumper and the hard outer shell with, in this case, this beautiful black. And the best way I can describe the other colors in here are iridescent like pieces of glitter floating around, and it's gorgeous. You again have the little metallic buttons on the side here and here. And this phone works for the iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, and 7 Plus, so you get a lot of models. And it says Dynamic Snow Globe Effect, Shock Absorbing Bumper, Anti-Scratch Technology, and Metallic Buttons. I'm not going to do a close-up of installing this one because you guys, you know, especially if you've ever watched any of my other Casemate videos, you know how to do this. So I'm just going to do it real fast and show you it. We have the protective rubber bumper. Line up the buttons. Slip the case in that bumper. Just like so. And then take the hard outer shell and just lay your phone with the rubber bumper around it right in that case. And as always, be sure to push down all the corners and go around and make sure that rubber is pushed in very securely and evenly around the phone. And here we have it, ladies and gents. Okay, so I tried to dim the lighting a little bit and so you can get a better look. And I really like the contrast between the black and then my rose gold phone. And then when it falls down, you see all those little iridescent looking sparkles. It just really ties it into the rose gold phone, or if you have a gold phone. And if you had a black phone, I think this would be striking on it. Just striking. But let me get a good close-up and see if you guys can see the little, I want to make sure you see that this isn't like every other glitter case, and this actually has like little pebble ball thingies in it. Do you see those? See how they fall and they just make the glitter go in like swirly pretty patterns instead of just falling straight down? That is so cool. I will insert some stills into this video, of course, so you guys can get an even better look at the case, and I hope that you're able to see it. Usually when I do videos, when I edit them, you can see things a lot better than I can in the viewfinder. So hopefully that is the situation in this case. So until next time, I'd like to give a big shout out to Casemate. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to try out these products and review them for everyone. I love, love, love the brand, and you guys know that I always have. So, and until next time, why doesn't everyone go check out Casemate's website? I'll put the link down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.